In this video, we're going to go over how to use the different filters in Monitor Agents in Twilio Flex using Gravity CX. The first step is to select the Monitor Agents option in the menu bar. You will find a table with all the agents and their current status. Above the table, on the right-hand side, you will find the Filters button. After clicking on Filter, you will see a slide out where you will find how many agents you are viewing and the options to filter. You can filter by activity, where you can find the agents based on their current status. You can also filter by teams based on the teams that they are working on. Finally, you can filter by task queues to find agents based on the types of tasks they are receiving. You can also combine the filters. You will see two options, Apply and Reset. Apply is to find all the agents based on the filter selected, and Reset is to remove all the filters.